Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and applications of the RT90P Pneumatic Rivet Tool. The RT90P delivers the ultimate high-speed pneumatic tool performance at a DIY price. This pneumatic rivet tool features an extended nose design that helps with hard-to-reach corners or when a little extra reach is needed in a tight work area. The RT90P comes with a mandrel catcher to prevent stray mandrels from cluttering your work area and includes the necessary fittings to operate on home compressors up to 120 psi. Designed for convenience, the tool is compact and made of lightweight die-cast aluminum with an easy-to-pull full-size trigger. Included in the box are the instruction manual, mandrel catcher and cap nut, interchangeable nose pieces, and wrenches along with gaskets to help maintain the tool. Recommended for setting the most difficult rivets, this tool will save you time and energy on larger projects. This tool works with steel, stainless steel, and aluminum rivets. The RT90P is perfect for automotive work, working on storm doors and metal sheds, air vents and heating ducts, as well as general home repairs. Thank you for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. We hope you enjoy your new tool.